It is indeed a great pleasure to present to you at this particular time a bizarre, weird, wild, and explosive new series. I am pleased to give you Freestyle Friday.
Welcome back to another Freestyle Friday. Every single week, you cook it Eamon's way. Recipes are free. You know he keeps it hot. But grab your pen and paper. I'm going to show you what I've got. What I've got. What I've got. What I've got. Come on, buddy. Let's do it. You guys excited for my first Freestyle Friday?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Freestyle Friday. If you're new around here, my name's Eamon. That's Rebecca.
Hey
this
guys.
is our little tiny home that we live full-time in. We make recipe videos every single Friday, and by we, I mean usually I. But today, Becca's gonna show you her staple meal. It's a little bit hot today to be making a staple meal, but it's so delicious that we're gonna make it. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna introduce you to my beautiful fiance, and she's gonna take over from here.
Hey everybody, put my hair on the top of my head just so you don't totally freak out. I know we look similar enough, so let's get this recipe started. Wow, I don't know why we're choosing to make soup today, but we are. This is not even my recipe. I wish I could take the credit for this. My mom started making this. Oh, round two. She's just doing laps around us. My mom started making this and Eamon and I fell in love. In particular, Eamon was really into this soup, so I'm gonna make it for you guys. You saw it on our latest vlog. You asked me to make this Freestyle Friday recipe, and let's get started. We don't have a cutting board. I said to Eamon, can we please go back to the office and get the cutting board? I want to look professional. And he said, nah, this is Freestyle Fridays. So, first thing you gotta do is grab your plate, which should be a cutting board. We're gonna chop onion, we're gonna chop garlic, and we're gonna get this van smelling like My biggest fear about doing this Freestyle Friday, to be honest, is I have no skills at all in the kitchen, and I'm sure you're gonna pick up on that. Laugh track.
Sorry, I just want to show
another round. Laugh track is welcome at any time if you want to giggle through my jokes. I'm gonna do another whole onion, and I don't have a cutting board, so oops. The other thing you'll notice that I'm really different in the kitchen than Eamon is I kind of make a massive mess. My dad always said growing up that the bigger the mess my mom made, the better the meal. So you guys can judge how good this soup is by the disaster the kitchen is in the end. Grab a big pot. Show you what I got. You need a dash of olive oil. Nope. Oh. There we go. I'm gonna toss these onions into the pot and then just cook them until they become translucent. While the onions are cooking, we're gonna crumble our sausage and some garlic. My family is obsessed with garlic.
We could go right into the garbage with that rest of those little ones.
Yeah, you know, this is my Freestyle Friday episode and that's where I put it. But good point, buddy, well taken. We love to go heavy on the garlic. So much garlic that your hands smell like garlic for a couple of days. So when we first started making this recipe, we were exclusively using field roast sausage because you guys know we love the Italian, well, we love all the field roast. But we since discovered this Canadian-based brand, and it's called Gusta. So I'm using Gusta because it's what's in our local grocery store. I'm just gonna take off all the plastic, probably not put it in the garbage where I should put it. And then I just crumble that into like little pieces. I'm gonna wash my hands here. So my onions look good. I'm gonna add my garlic and my sausage. Sometimes actually I like to add a little bit of extra garlic powder, a little bit of dried basil. Someone once told me you gotta do spices early, and then someone told me not to. A little bit of pepper. So much pepper because you know my buddy likes it hot. It's time for the garlic and sausage. You just gotta let that cook up a little bit. And then I kind of like to almost brown the sausage because it gives it some flavor. This is such an easy recipe that anybody can do it anywhere. You could be camping, you could have a rainy day and just want to whip up something really quick. It's so simple, it's basically over. We're basically done. We're about to eat. Only I do like to simmer the soup for quite some time because that's when you get all the flavor. Have I said flavor like a million times? I like to taste taste it because I'll eat these raw even. I'm gonna open up the tomato. I'm going diced tomatoes. I think the original recipe might have called for crushed, but I kind of like the tomato chunks. Did any of your moms have those can openers that were attached to the cupboard and then you just put it up there and it was electric? Is electric the right downgrading. That's what I grew up with. So then downgrading lettuce is pretty rough stuff. And veggie broth. I forgot this the last time. If you guys watched our vlog, we literally were parked on the most beautiful beach and we had to go back into town and get vegetable broth. So that's a stinker. Don't forget the vegetable broth, you guys. So I'm going to chop up some fresh basil because, oh my god, fresh basil's freaking unreal. You don't smell that? Does not smell freaking unreal. So good. So I'm gonna chop up some fresh stuff on my cutting board here. This is actually a really good time while that's all browning up to just clean up your area.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah. Diced tomato. I think I'm gonna do the whole thing of veggie broth. I normally go unsalted, but I believe that there was none left at the G store. I'm gonna add some fresh basil, pop that in there. This is the part where it gets a little slow and you get a little hungry and you want to speed up the process, but you can't speed up good stuff, so you've just got to let that simmer for 20 minutes. It's a really good time to go online, go to chaiwallachai.com and place your order. Maybe I'll join the ladies for a couple of laps. Welcome back. Wow, that was very intense. Welcome back, everybody. We're going to now put the gnocchi in, and then I'm gonna grab like maybe one. You like lots of spinach. Is this too much? 2 handfuls of spinach? That's enough for me. And then you let that simmer for another 10 minutes. That was a mix of French and Spanish, I think. So good. Hey folks, how's that looking? My cameraman is slacking on the job there. He's watching his Instagram stories. We're gonna put this in a bowl. We're gonna grab our favorite boo. Favorite boo? Bob's probably back at the office. And, and it's time to eat. Damn, homie. That is straight up delicious. My mama knows what she's talking about. I like burning my mouth and my tongue on soup because you gotta eat it while it's hot. So actually this is perfect for Eamon because he doesn't eat soup hot. He eats it cold like a baby.
Okay guys, so this is a true test here. I'm gonna put Beck's, do you have a name for this?
This is the tomato gnocchi soup.
Hearty tomato gnocchi soup.
Why do you say gnocchi?
I think that's how you say it.
Oh, I say gnocchi.
Gnocchi. Gnocchis are little balls of potato, if people didn't know that. The reason why I love this soup is because it is super filling. Like, look at that, you're getting potato, you're getting the Italian sausage with the tomato, and I've had this a few times, so I'm gonna know if she's on point or not. I'm gonna try and get a little bite of each. You know, it's incredible that you can get that much flavor from something with such little ingredients. Like, it's such a simple soup, but everything works well together. The Italian sausage has its own flavor that binds with the black pepper, that marries up with the gnocchi and the tomato, and it all just comes in beautifully. Beck, you smashed it. Thank you so much for jumping in front of the lens today.
I know, that was
weird. We super
weird.
appreciate that. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys want to see more of Beck's amazing recipes that she has, she might be able to pull like 1 or 2 out of her purse. Smash that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're coming at you every single Friday with a new recipe video.
Wait, can I say something else? Eamon always gets you guys tagging him in his recipe photos, and I'm uber jealous of it. Would you please tag me if you make this? I want to see it. My Instagram is @RebeccaMaroney. I know that's lame, but I've had it for 10 years or something. So please tag me in your tomato gnocchi soup recipe. And if you have a better name for it than that, let me know in the comments below. Okay, I'm done now. Time to eat.